I know the delayed start to the new school year has made some parents a little anxious. Keeping your children active and engaged during this COVID-19 pandemic has also been challenging. While the extension does make many children happy, it can lead to what's called a summer learning loss. So we've compiled a list of activities you can use to not only spend time with your children, but also sharpen their minds. Studies suggest that during the long summer months when students are away from the classroom, their mathematics and reading comprehension suffer significantly. To ensure children don't regress while they are away from the classroom, we recommend that you help your little ones to read, write, and spell during this extended time at home. For older children, have them write reports on the books read. And no, we don't mean assigned reading books from school. We mean any book that may spark your child's interest. Visit your local parish library. They should have a book that your child would love to read. Math is all around us, so there's no need for the learning to stop when classes end. Counting cards as they pass, figuring out the shape of objects, naming colors, or even matching cards will help sharpen your child's skills. Baking and cooking may help with measurement and fractions. The grocery list can be added, subtracted, and multiplied. And you may create summer jobs from chores around the home that you pay for in cash or kind. Keep your child active through play. You may try a game of cricket, hopscotch, football, riding a bike, running, and skipping. Having a family workout session is another great idea. Swimming in the river or at the beach are also worthwhile physical endeavors as long as they are open. But don't forget to follow the COVID-19 protocols. And how about gardening? Not only do children learn through play, they also reduce their risk of becoming obese. Leisurely walks at a park could do your child's mind and body good. A family trip to the zoo or a museum may also extend the learning. And don't forget, follow the COVID-19 protocols. At home, learning a new skill could occupy a curious child. It could be growing your own food, preparing a meal from scratch, making a toy, jewelry, a house for your pet, or for the techno-savvy children, creating an app. For children going to a new school or a new grade, introduce them to their new books, have them read stories, and practice math problems. Parents can also make flashcards with their children, and by doing so, revise all that they've learned over the weeks. Children may explore their creative side by making a movie on a smartphone or tablet. There are also tons of free educational websites that can help children stay on top of their learning throughout the period. If you try 2 or more of these ideas, I'm sure your children will be ready for the new school year.